this round. Kari first place tells them hands for you, God, bad, chili, mark, and let's see next one. Enjoy. Thank you, Sima. Thanks to you. Always welcome. Let's go. Still started. Correct. Conflict. Good luck. Hey! Haha! Coin flip! Smoothly landed. With extra. Correct. Are you excited? So much as I am. I'm so excited. And I can hide it. 2x blue. Come on. 25x red. 4x. Get it. 8x blue. 100x red. Thank you, David Dubslot. Bam! Whoa. Might be red, by the way. That's blue. 8x. Good, that 4x was added, right? Congratulations, go back to the wheel. Trophy. Bingo, bye-bye. Oh, always welcome, you know? We're 24/7 here. Unstoppable. We don't need the batteries. We're unstoppable today. Let's go see start enjoying. Do you see my comment, Sophie? Lauren, it might happen that I may said. Can you copy paste a little bit from me? Kinda extra work on your side. Send messages to Sophie. 10, yeah, and 10,583 placements from standing first place. 4,000 for you. How you made that? You fit and full of energy. Oh, Raul, I am. Always. I love you, always, forever, there and now. Come closer together. Let's get started. Nice girl, Indy, you are nice. But let's catch crazy time. Will be much more better. We're a little bit crossover that on the opposite side. But it's done. You magic. Can't you guess it's gonna be fun? It's not so easy to catch. You love my dress? Thank you so much. Me too. Shakira, Safia. 10,000 for her one place to enjoy the next round. Enjoy that each moment in your life. 10 gets twice in a row. Look at this. You look like wait a second. I look like what? Or who? Stranger? Robbie? Margot Robbie, you mean? Yes, I'm she. For example, that's true. So you mean I'm Barbie? I'm a Barbie girl.
Show your winnings. Let's keep on going with another round. Biggest win of the day, 500x. I'm sad, but why? Don't be sad. Oh. 25x on a coin flip. We got a number 1. $1,072 winners. Congratulations, UTA. This has happened for the second time already to me. First time it was with a great